These are the Sony WF C500 true wireless headphones. Each earbud weighs just about 5 grams, so they're light, comfortable, and easy to wear all day. On a single charge, you get up to 10 hours of playtime, and the pocket-sized case holds another 10, giving you 20 hours total before you even think about plugging in. They're rated IPX4, splash resistant, so rain, sweat, or a quick gym session won't be a problem. Sound is clear, balanced, and detailed. Inside Sony's app, you can customize the EQ and even try 360 reality audio for a more immersive experience. Physical buttons make playback simple without fiddling with touch controls. And for calls, the voice pickup is crisp and reliable, even in busy environments. For an everyday pair of wireless earbuds that just work, the WF C500 are a smart choice.